Leos, hello and welcome back to my channel. And in case if you're new over here, hello, my name is Tarusha Saxena and I welcome you to my very beautiful world of tarot. In case if you're new, then let me tell you that on this channel we do share weekly and monthly zodiac updates through my tarot readings. And in case of these topics interest you, then please go ahead and subscribe my channel and don't forget to click that bell icon right there somewhere, which will help you see the notifications of the videos every time I upload your zodiac videos on my channel. All right, so let's quickly get started, but before that, few disclaimers that this is an absolutely general Leo reading. All right, and in case if it does not resonate with you in particular, because it is a general Leo reading, don't forget to check out my other videos on this channel for upcoming month as per your sun, moon, rising and Venus signs. And also remember, Leos, that timing is fluid. All right, so if you do come across this reading at some other month, in some other year, other than when I'm uploading it, it will be applicable for you at that particular time for that upcoming month. All right, so irrespective of date, month, time and year, whenever you will come across this reading, it is going to be applicable for you at that upcoming month. All right, so now without wasting much time, let's get started, Leos. Leos, hello. I have all your cards laid out in front of me. All right, and this particular upcoming month is, trust me, looking so busy. All right, it is really busy. Like there's so much happening with you, with respect to your workplace, with respect to finances, with respect to what you love. All right, and of course, I mean, off late, like, something is going on in your life which has been stressing you out, and you are, my dear friend, really stressed. Not right now, but since last few weeks or months, I could say couple of months, maybe 7-8 months. All right, forget about lockdown, could be a reason for so many things, but the point is that you have been stressed since last 7-8 months. All right, and let's quickly get into your reading and deep dive into what's coming up. All right, for you. So Leos, there's actually a lot happening for you. I really don't know where do I start with, but I can say one thing for sure before starting your reading, Leos, that your month is ending like boom, but sorry, your month is beginning with a boom, but your month is ending on a good note. All right, so it's like, universe and God is acting like a carpenter, and you are like a wood, and the carpenter is working on the wood to carve a beautiful structure out of it. If I have to put your reading in one line, that is how I would like to put it up, that God is the sculptor and you are the log or the stone, and God is going to carve you with a hammer. So you will have to go through these hammerings in order to come out like a beautiful sculpture. All right, and that is exactly what this month is going to be for you. It might be sounding scary, but it's not very scary, because every cloud has a silver lining. All right, so now I will not give any more phrases and directly get into it. I'm so sorry if you've been waiting, but anyways, so your month is going to start on a very high and positive note, as in some situations are going to happen in your life in the beginning of the month which are going to lead to positive outcomes in future. All right, they may not look positive instantly, but the outcome eventually is going to be positive for you, which you will understand in the time to come. All right, because the month is starting for you with a lot of conflicts. All right, there will be lot of obstacles in some kind of work that you are trying to do, whether this work is particularly related to, now you take it how this particular reading resonates or translates in your situation, whether this reading, whatever I'm saying, translates for a relationship, or whether it is translating for your career. Okay, I am going to read it in the form of a career because for me it looks like a career reading, all right? But you can take it if the same situation or same scene is happening in your personal life. But for me, it's looking to be like a career related thing, most likely than not, all right? Because it's all about work and stress. All right, so in your work front, there are a lot of obstacles that you're facing right now, a lot of obstruction, obstacles, objections, to whatever you're trying to put forward or trying to do. There's a lot of rejection, lot of conflict of opinion, people stopping your work. It could be office politics, whatever it is. There's a lot going on which is not right now in your favor. People are trying to stop you from doing things that you have to do or you want to do. There could be a lot of backstabbing for you happening. Okay, there could be a backstabbing for you, and backstabbing could be coming from the most reliable source, the most trustworthy source. So it could be also like kind of stabbing from people who you don't expect, like who have nothing to do with you, yet they are stabbing in your back and ruining your plans. But whatever it is, there has, and this backstabbing actually is not happening right now, or it's not going to happen. It has already happened. And whatever it is, whatever this obstruction of your plans, whatever backstabbing was happening with you, all right, all of it now is going to come to an end, all right? Which means that any kind of stress and tensions that these particular situations at your workplace were happening, they are going to come to an end, all right? So mentally you will be a little relieved that all those things are gradually going to end in the beginning of the month, maybe towards the 10th day or 11th day or 12th day of the month. However, it is going to leave you a little exhausted and tired, where you'll feel really depressed, if I have to say the word depressed. Yeah, you will be feeling very depressed and dejected, and yeah, you would really be feeling very depressed and dejected. I also see that towards the mid of the coming month, all right, your situation, what I said, that you will be a little depressed, will be, that would be the period in your life, okay, wherein it'll be like a calm, like like a still ocean. That is how your mid of the upcoming month you can expect to be, like a calm and still ocean, because all the action that was happening, whether it was outside or whether it is in your mind, all of that will kind of become stable like this. You may experience some kind of numbness, because you would be kind of dealing with some kind of depression or stress. Depression, because all the stress that the office politics and work or whatever was happening that was giving you, it's going to leave its aftermaths, right? So therefore you might feel a little depressed and dejected, and I said somewhere in the mid of the upcoming month. Also, in terms of finances, there will be some kind of situation where there will be some kind of monetary exchange between you and somebody, or you and your organization. It could be a monetary benefit that you may receive, or it could also be some kind of monetary help that you may be lending to somebody, all right? I also see that there will be the things at your workplace that you may have to let go, all right, which you are probably forced to let go. You are quite sad about that whole scene, and you really you're living in those memories of the past, that you're thinking about the things that have gone by. So for example, if you would have had some plans in your life that if I get this, I would have done that, I would have done it like this, like that, etc. So many plans. So the point is that your plans have kind of taken a back step, all right. They couldn't be fulfilled, right? So you will be in a situation where you will be just sitting and living in the past. what if this would have happened, what if that would have happened, what if I could have done this, what if I could have done that, oh my god, I lost this. But don't do that, because towards the end of the month, all right, as I said, the month is going to end on a beautiful note, and that is because you are going to relieving yourself out of anything that the past is attaching to you, all right. You will be able to successfully move away from from the attachments of what you have lost, all right. So you will successfully be able to detach yourself from that, all right. And one thing very clearly that you are going to achieve is basically clarity of mind, all right. Towards the end of the month, you will be most successfully and very beautifully, you will be able to attain that clarity of mind, and that is going to relieve you from a great amount of stress that you have been going through since a very very long time. So this whole month, all the things that you will go through is only going to help you learn your lessons, move forward in life, detach yourself from things that no more serve their purpose in your life. And also, because you're going to have clarity of mind towards the end of the month, the overall energy for you, the two cards say that you are going to have some kind of plan in your mind that you are going to put into action. And my dear friend, yes, that plan is going to help you march towards victory, especially in your career. Okay, so this was your general reading, Leos, and now I will take up 3 guidance messages from your ancestors. I've already pulled out 3 cards for you from my beautiful angel and ancestors cards. So these are the guidance messages for you for the upcoming month. The first message for you, oh my god, which is coming out for so many people, for so many zodiacs, is track down your fears and desires. Okay, hold the space, hold your ground strongly. If you have any opinions, if you have any firm beliefs, hold tight to them, all right. And the last message for you is be brave and honest, all right, which definitely what from the reading is looking like that you're going to be brave and honest. So this was your reading, my dear lovely Leos, and I will see you very very soon in my next video for you. Until then, do take very good care of yourself, stay home and stay safe. Bye bye, Leos.